Hi friends, in today's video we are going to see how to make a liver fry. For this, first clean some goat liver and cut it down in small pieces and add 150 to 100 ml of water with salt and turmeric powder in it and close it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add ginger garlic paste in it. Just leave it for 2 minutes. Once it started to boil, add coconut oil and add chili powder in it and mix it for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the mixture get dry, add coriander leaf or mint leaves in this. Now add only 50 ml of water in this. Once it start to boil, just squeeze half lemon in this, mix it and close it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see a tasty and a spicy liver fry is ready. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you next video. Take care. Bye.